Today I'll show you how to install LibreChat locally using NPM. This is perfect for corporate environments where Docker Desktop is restricted due to licensing issues. First, ensure you have these 5 requirements installed: Git for Windows, Node.js, MongoDB Community Server, the LibreChat executable, and finally an OpenAI API key or an API key from a different provider like Google or Anthropic. The links are in the description of the video. Open your command prompt. We'll start by cloning the repository. Copy the URL from GitHub, type git clone, paste the URL, and hit enter. Once that's done, make sure to change the directory into the new LibreChat folder. Now run NPM CI to install the dependencies. This might take a moment. While that runs, you can go ahead and install MongoDB with the default settings. Next, let's set up LibreChat. Create a folder named LibreChat on your C drive and move the downloaded executable into it. Open a command prompt in this folder and run the executable. This will generate a master key. Copy the key because you'll need it shortly. Back in the LibreChat folder, find the .env example file. Copy and paste it, then rename the copy to .env. Open this file in a text editor like Notepad++. Search for the LibreChat master key variable and paste the key you just generated. While you're here, search for the Open API key and add your API key. Save and close the file. Now we need to build the application. In your LibreChat terminal, run npm run frontend. Once that completes, run npm run backend to start the server. When you see that it's listening on port 3080, you're ready to go. Open your browser and type localhost:3080. Click sign up to create a local account. Since this is self-hosted and we haven't set up the email configuration yet, you can use any email address you like. You now have a fully functional, locally hosted LibreChat instance. You can select the OpenAI model you want and start chatting immediately. I would start with the typical ChatGPT 4 or 5 model. The search functionality is also fully active thanks to LibreChat. To stop the server, press Ctrl+C. To update LibreChat in the future, simply run git pull, which updates the local repo on your machine, followed by npm CI. Then npm run frontend, and finally npm backend. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.